Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a Steam account using your Android device as well as your iOS, which means your iPhone. So right now this is my iPhone, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a Steam account on Android, but the process is going to be same. If you focus how you guys can create an account on iPhone, then it's going to work for Android as well, because the app interface is same both on Android and in iOS. But I'm going to be showing you how you guys can do that in both. So don't worry, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and download Steam and click on Steam to open it. Once your Steam opens up, it's going to show you this. Now if you have your account name, password, you can log in into it by typing it over here. But if you don't, scroll a bit down and click on Join Steam. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the sign up page of Steam. Over here, enter an email address. So I'm going to enter my email address over here real quick. You guys also enter your email address. Make sure you have access to this email, because whenever you lose the password of your account, you need to come to this email in order to recover your passport. So make sure you have access to this email, and you do not share this email to anybody else. If anybody knows the access to your email, then it's gone. They can take your account by that, what I'm trying to say. And choose your country over here and tick mark I'm not a robot. Once you verify you're not a robot by completing this verification process over here, it's going to give you a tick mark. Tick I'm 13 years old. Click and continue. On the next step, of verification code is going to be sent to your email. Go to your mail and click on the link sent by Steam. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to the next page where you guys can enter your username and password, and you're good to go. So yeah, that's how you guys can create yourself an account. Now once you create a username and password, account under that username and password, and this email is going to be created. So that's for iPhone. Now let's hop into Android. So this is basically Android. Over here I have downloaded Steam. I can click on it to open Steam, but the process is going to be same as I said. Now as you guys can see, the interface on iPhone and Android is same. You just have to go and join Steam again, and over here you need to enter your email address, and you need to enter your email to confirm it. Choose your country, check mark this, continue. On the next step, it's gonna ask you to verify your mail. Once you verify your mail, it's gonna ask you to enter a password for your account and create a username for your account, and a Steam account will be created. So that's how you guys can create yourself a Steam account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. See you guys next time. Bye bye.